With the rise and most. Yeah, we give thanks that we need it the most. We have to give thanks that we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all of life, man. We thank God for the journey, the earnings, the must. Yeah. Gratitude is a must.
So bad man can't defeat me. Every day just around.
You guessed it. Welcome to our channel.
I know you guys have been waiting. Here we is.
It's okay, we're here.
Yup.
I'm Yasmin.
Ariana.
And we're
our favorite duo. Can you hear the sound? Can you hear the screams?
Alright.
It's alright. Thank you.
Anyways,
so today we're doing a couple of stuff. We're doing a
mukbang.
Yeah.
While we answer
Q&A questions, and then we're doing the accent tag challenge.
And meanwhile we're doing a Q&A, we're gonna be doing a
face mask because you know
you gotta keep it pretty.
Yeah.
The skin don't come like that, just like that. Alright. Okay, so we back.
So we just washed our face because it said
clear.
Yeah. So.
Okay, so now we're back.
Face masks applied and everything, so
we still cute, we gorgeous.
We gonna open some snacks and then we gonna start with the Q&A. We gonna insert a picture right now?
Wait.
Those are the snacks we got, so we did alright, Mostly she did good. I can't flop, but okay.
It's okay.
It's okay.
So we got sour Skittles from the Caribbean.
Oh, these are
salty. They got like sugar on the outside. No, we don't got this. The UK sugar now. Okay, what uni do you attend? The university that we go to. That's where we attend. So next question. Describe yourself in one word. That's a bit on the sneaky ones now.
Trouble.
I'll describe her.
I'll describe her. Trouble. She can describe me. So trouble is hers.
Sweetheart. Oh, the biggest pet peeve.
Liars. Oh my god.
My biggest pet peeve. Can't be friends with you if we don't trust each other. Like, how does that even make sense?
That's true.
You can't not trust your friends. Then you're not friends.
That's like your acquaintance.
Like, if even.
Yeah. That is just fine.
It's actually considered really nice. I hate wafers.
Same.
Like, this tastes good. Well done, Greece.
Oh, you got me on a question.
Oh yeah, next question. Top 3 things to have a healthy, we repeat, healthy
Are we gonna
relationship.
do the top 3?
No, you give your top 3. What's your top 1? 3, 2, 1.
Communication.
Trust.
Oh. Well, yours is true as well, but
trust is number 1. You don't have a relationship without trust.
That's true though. That's actually true.
See?
She didn't mean it.
Number 1 is trust. Okay, number 2.
I think communication, because it doesn't matter, like, if you just had an argument, if we're not talking it out, then for all I know, I'm probably thinking the relationship's dead. You're probably thinking, oh, we're still in this together.
And that's like, not what we need. I think, attraction.
Yeah.
Do not jump into a relationship if you're not attracted to the personality.
Yeah, I was gonna say like, emotionally and physically, because it's not just physical. Like,
it's all fun and games at first.
Until you try to have a proper communication with them and you realize this ain't it.
You don't like their personality. What are you gonna say? I don't like who you are. Don't jump into anything. Take your time.
Take your time.
Slow down. Slow down.
Why you fucking coming first?
Yeah,
so
three. So trust, communication, attraction. Alright.
I like that.
Next night before the next question, we got
Bigfoot. Oh.
Bigfoot. I ain't never heard of this, but she is saying it's a cheese. I think it come like quavers or what's it, if you know what I mean. What crisps you taste with seasoning in it?
It's good.
Bigfoot. What? Man. The crisps got seasoning.
Rate this.
I'll give this a good 8.
That's what I'm talking about. Would you date a nigga shorter than you? So, I'm 5'6", barely. If you're shorter than me, it doesn't make sense to me. I'm sorry. There's no way that you can be shorter than me. There's no way you should be shorter than me. Yeah.
And I'm about 5'9", I want to say. Maybe 5'8.5", 5'9", around there. There's no way. There's absolutely no way.
Doesn't matter, you say.
You see, you trying to shoot the shot, I'll block it. If you're over 6 foot, that. If you're over 6'3",
if you're over 6'5",
if you're over 6'6", you just long now. Question: how did you two become friends?
for the longest while, Ariana was trying to get me to come out and hang out with her and her friends.
One day, I finally persuaded her to come to a party with us.
Yeah. And ever since,
blossomed from there.
we've been inseparable, man.
Literally. Favorite duo. So that's the end of the first video. Like,
Comment,
subscribe,
and bye.